Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign documents on your Samsung Galaxy Ultra device. Signing important papers can be quick and easy, transforming a traditionally manual task into a seamless digital process. We will explore the various methods available, ensuring you can handle all your document signing needs right from your phone. Get ready to make your workflow 100% digital and incredibly efficient. Your Samsung Galaxy Ultra device offers excellent native tools for signing. Simply open your document, perhaps a PDF or image, within an app like Samsung Notes or even the Gallery. Then, activate your S Pen and select the Pen tool. You can draw your signature directly onto the document with precision. Once complete, save your file, often as a PDF, ensuring your signature is embedded and ready to send. For more robust features, consider third-party applications available in the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Apps like Adobe Fill and Sign or DocuSign offer enhanced security, cloud storage, and professional templates. They allow you to create and save multiple signatures, add text fields, and even request signatures from others. These tools provide a comprehensive solution for all your digital document needs, offering peace of mind. To ensure a smooth signing experience, always double-check your document before adding your signature. Make sure all information is accurate and the signature placement is correct. After signing, save a copy of the completed document to your device or cloud storage for future reference. When sharing, use secure methods like encrypted email or trusted messaging apps to protect your sensitive information. These steps ensure both efficiency and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.